Hello everybody, welcome to the Learn Arabic language course, and actually you will learn Arabic language as a new language that you're gonna use probably in your CV, or that you're gonna use this language probably in your work, etc., or maybe with friends. And the sentence over here says تعلم اللغة العربية. So again, تعلم اللغة العربية. What does it mean? It says learn Arabic language. What are you going to learn from this course? Basically, we're going to start with the alphabets. We're going to learn how to write, read the alphabets, connect the alphabets together. We are going to learn the pronouns. We are going to learn the conjugation of verbs. We're going to learn stuff about grammar, vocabulary, and reading also. So we're going to include some dialogues at the end probably, or let's say at the let's say in the middle age of this course, so or maybe after. So we're gonna upload some dialogues where you can start reading and we can start practicing about how to read Arabic. After that, we make sure that you guys will be able to read and will be able also to speak. So in this case, we're going to start with only Arabic alphabets, and then we're going to use English alphabets to practice, to help you practicing reading, writing, etc. Like for example, if we are going to say ana, which means me in Arabic, ana. So basically what we're going to learn at the beginning is that it's going to be ana using Arabic letters like that. And then you're going to learn also, like after a couple videos, you're going to learn it, how you're going to spell it using English alphabet. So it's going to be like that, like writing English alphabet, but basically you are speaking Arabic, which is going to be a little bit easier for you to catch the words, to understand how we Arab people can spell these words. Moving to the second slide, we have something here, a smiley face welcoming you in Arabic. And Arabic language is very, very, I'm not going to say easy, but it is easy somehow. I'm not just going to say like way easy. No. It is easy, but you need to focus with me. You need to practice. If you don't practice, you'll not get anything. That's absolutely right. And it is not that complicated, trust me. I mean, it is not that complicated like the Chinese or German. Oops, sorry about that. And yeah, so it doesn't matter if you don't know any Arabic before, so because this course is gonna start from scratch, so you're gonna start learning from the beginning, and this is only an introduction. So we are not going to learn anything in this video. But I want to make sure that your computer can read Arabic and can write Arabic language, because if your computer do not read or write Arabic, then you will not be able to read or write on, for example, a word sheet or something. So how can we do that? I'm going to explain this with the following slide, but before, we need to make sure that our Windows, if you are using Windows, how we can do that. I'm not really sure about the Macintosh because I'm not that fan of Mac. But if you also know how the way we can add the Arabic language in Macintosh, that would be really nice of you if you can post it to the others. So at the end, after working on this is an example where you can see Arabic letters and Arabic sentence or a couple of words. So how can we do that? Please make sure that you follow these steps that I just wrote to you. So in Windows only, all what you have to do is that you go to the start button. You press on the start button, and then in the search bar you can type region and language. After that, you go to the tab. I think it was the second tab. You go to the keyboard and languages tab. And then there's a button says change keyboards, and then this is when you add Arabic language. So there you're gonna find probably like 20 types of Arabics, but I really prefer to use the Syrian or the Lebanese one, since the Arabic somehow was born in Syria, and it's the only Arabic that everybody can understand. Everybody who speaks Arabic can understand Syrian Arabic. So I really suggest you to use the Syrian keyboard. And then you can switch the languages by pressing on Shift plus Alt. Okay, when you press both buttons in the same time, Shift plus Alt, then you will be able to switch language from, for example, English to Arabic, etc. If you still have no idea how to do that, please let me know and I'll follow up with you and tell you how are you going to do this step by step. There's an introduction to the Arabic language and what this course means actually. In Arabic language, you should know that you must type from right to left. So in English, as you can see, we're starting from here, but in Arabic, we're gonna start from right to left. If you start from the left side, you won't understand anything. I wouldn't understand anything. No. Because in Arabic, we start writing from the right side, and this is the correct way how we write. You must know that if you translate exactly from English to Arabic, it does not give the same meaning. If you give an exact translation to the word from English to Arabic, it's not going to give the same meaning. So that doesn't mean that if I just Google translate a sentence, that means it is what Google Translate's going to give me as an answer. No, this is not correct. It could be correct for a word, but not for a sentence. Arabic is hard to learn, but if you attend all courses, all the videos, and ask questions and keep practicing every time, if you are attached to the Arabic by practicing every day, then you will never find it as a hard language. If you don't have Arabic letters on your keyboard, you can download an image of the Arabic keyboard and print it out. I'm gonna show you now here. If you go to arabic-keyboard.org, this is when you can use an actual keyboard, an Arabic keyboard, or you can simply Google Arabic keyboard and download the image from the internet, and then you can print it out and put it next to your computer, so you would be able to know which Arabic letters to which button it's below actually. So this is how you get a keyboard. Probably if you have an Arabic keyboard already on your computer, then that would be perfect. If not, then you can do what I just told you. Now, to make sure that your keyboard can write Arabic, I would like to ask you actually to do this small steps over here. So after adding the language, from the computer, when you add the language, if you switch the language now to Arabic and write this, if you switch the language to Arabic and you pressed HKH space HSLD, then you will get this results in Arabic, which says Ana Ismi. Ana Ismi. That means my name is, etc. So again, if you switch the language to Arabic, and if you don't have any Arabic keyboard, and write down HKH space HSLD, you will get this result in Arabic, which is my name is Ana Ismi. So that's gonna be your first task for today. Please give it a try and let me know if you still can do this. So for the meantime, thanks for watching this introduction. Be ready for the next lesson. Make sure that at the beginning you will learn the alphabets and the letters and how we connect the letters and how you pronounce it also. Then once we are done with the alphabets, we will be able to move to the pronouns like me, I, you, he, she, etc. And then we'll move also to the verb conjugation in the present, maybe in past somehow. So there's a lot of things to learn. You can check the curriculum, you can check the previews, And if you have any question, please let me know. If you have any concerns about learning Arabic, even before registering the course, if you're watching this before registering, please let me know if you have any question, and I'll make sure that everything's going to be perfect for you. I am also very open-minded. You can talk to me via Skype. You can send me an email to my private email. Everything's going to be fine. No worries. So that was all for this introduction video, and I would like really to thank you for registering the course one more time. Many thanks, and I will see you on the following video.